Mastering this simple skill of remembering names can really set you apart from others, ultimately allowing you to build stronger connections. The name is the sweetest sound to any person's ear. The secret method to subconsciously make other people feel important is to remember their name. It lets the other person know that they are an individual that is important and unique from others. Remembering a person's name is useful for all scenarios, whether it is meeting new people, making new friends, meeting employers, customers, business partners, or etc. Not knowing how to remember a person's name can leave a bad impression and possibly ruin many business or job opportunities. How can you care about a person or their business if you can't even care to remember about their name? People may undervalue the importance of remembering other people's names because it is such a common thing to do when meeting someone that is new. We have all been there, where we meet a new person at school or work and we say, "Hi, nice to meet you, my name is Tom." Then they reply, "Nice to meet you too, my name is Ashley." The conversation goes on great, and then you're about to part ways and you say, "I have to go now, but it was nice to meet you, sorry, what was your name again?" We have all been in this awkward situation before, but it is okay. There are strategic ways that you can remember the person's name. For example, when I don't remember a person's name, I would simply ask them to repeat it. Another trick that I would use is to simply ask them to put their number in my phone, in which they would automatically put their name in the contact information. As soon as a person says their name, repeat it a couple of times in your head, alongside with remembering the person's features, facial expressions, and appearance. What I like to also do is address them by their name multiple times in the conversation. And if I don't remember in the moment, I would ask them, "Quick question, how do you spell your name again?" Spelling out the name and remembering to remember it strengthens the memory of their name. Having this correlation can help you remember the person's name by putting a human connection to the name versus just simple letters. It's like trying to conceptualize what a toilet is without ever seeing or understanding the uses of a toilet. There is no association to the word if all we remember is the letters of the word. If the person is of extreme importance, such as someone like the president or your boss, then write the name on a piece of paper and read over the name many times and then rip up the paper and then remember it again. People can get quite shocked if you see a person a second time and then say, "Hi Ashley, it is nice to see you again." You get extra brownie points if you add in key details from the previous conversation. You will stand out much more significantly in the person's eyes, and they won't even know why they like you so much. You can get really close to a person if you follow this principle. It will lead you to long-term friendships or even amazing career opportunities. People will not even be aware that you possess these underlying superhero powers. I appreciate you watching this video from beginning to end. If you gain any value from this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome content every Sunday. Thank you for watching.